Hi everyone, it's Terry from Terry's Scrapbooks, and I have a guest design team project to share with you for Reneabouquets. I have created 2 tags using Prima Marketing's Lavender collection, and I've also got Georgia blue paper in here. And here I have Reneabouquets Beautiful Board Garden Party Rose tag set, and I have laced through the holes some ribbon. This is Reneabouquets Printed Beautiful Board Laser Cut Chipboard Sugar Plum Ballerina, and this one is Reneabouquets Beautiful Board Printed Victorian Umbrella Corners, and I used Reneabouquets Suncatcher Purple Dragonflies and her lavender and white roses, and these are Beautiful Board Beautiful Bits Rose Leaves and Beautiful Bits Skeleton Rose Leaves. I've got some up here too. And this is a flower from my stash and some tulle trim from my stash, but back here I have Reneabouquets Rose Crown Lace. I think that's everything. Back is finished. These are flowers from the Prima paper collection. Some seam binding and some eyelash trim. And Renee, in the guest design team package she sent me, also sent me her mini round shadow box beautiful board kit, and I put it together and I made it into an Alice in Wonderland ornament. And this is Reneabouquets Printed Beautiful Board White Rabbit and her Itty Bitty Alice in Wonderland Beautiful Board Printed Beautiful Board. And this is her Love Locks and Key from her Love Locks and Key set, just the key and the heart with the keyhole in it. These are painted black, and this is a little brass teacup that was given to me. And these are Beautiful Bits Moon and Star Laser Cut Chipboard. I've got her mini True Red mulberry paper roses that I used red stickles on, and some of this satin vine trim, some red seam binding. I made up a bottle. I filled up a bottle with some glitter and tied on a tag that says "Drink Me." On the back I glued some cards. This was Stamperia's Wonderland collection papers, and I glued on some of the cutouts of cards, and also Reneabouquets Itty Bitty Alice with a Warm Pig. And that's my ornament, and all of these will be for sale in my Etsy shop. I'll leave a link in the description to my Etsy shop, and also a link in the description to Reneabouquets stores and a list of the items I use that you can buy there. I hope you like my tags and my ornament, and I thank you so much for watching.